Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Truck drivers are known for their long hours on the road, which can take a toll on their health and well-being. With a sedentary lifestyle and limited access to healthy options, truck drivers need to make their health a priority. Here are some effective health and wellness tips designed specifically for truck drivers to help them maintain their physical and mental health while on the road. Before we get into health and wellness tips for truck drivers, click the link in the description to discover the world's only water bottle made with crystals designed to infuse with water so that it can help support healthy weight loss. Click on the link in the description to discover how drinking 2 to 3 liters of water from these slim crystal bottles each day is a great way to support healthy weight loss, maintain healthy digestion, and high energy levels. Now, let's get straight into the video. Protect your skin, pack your sunscreen. As the summer months approach, it is essential to prioritize the protection of your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. One often overlooked area is the face, which is exposed to harmful ultraviolet radiation, even when driving with the windows of a standard truck closed. For over-the-road truck drivers who often log up to 70 hours of work per week, the accumulation of sun exposure can be substantial. To ensure maximum protection from premature skin aging, it is crucial to utilize a broad-spectrum ultraviolet A sunscreen. This type of sunscreen protects from both ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays, ensuring that your skin is protected from the full range of harmful effects caused by sun exposure. So as you gear up for summer adventures, don't forget to slather the sunscreen for a safer, healthier, more youthful complexion. Revitalize your journey with a fun and relaxing hobby. Having a hobby to engage in during downtime on the road can be an excellent way to refresh your mind and relieve stress. While it might seem like a small detail, taking a mental break from the daily grind of truck driving can have a significant impact on your overall well-being and job satisfaction. Whether you enjoy reading, crafting, or any other leisure activity, having a hobby to turn to during your time off can help you feel refreshed and ready to tackle the next haul. Aside from providing a welcome mental distraction, hobbies can also serve as a way to de-stress and unwind after a long day on the road. Research has shown that engaging in leisure activities can help reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety, as well as boost overall mood and sense of well-being. By bringing a hobby with you on the road, you can not only enjoy the benefits of a little downtime, but also help maintain your mental health and prevent burnout. So why not start packing your favorite book or puzzle and giving your mind a well-deserved break? Proper hydration. Many individuals are unaware of the fact that a significant number of health problems can be attributed to lack of proper hydration. The body does not typically send out signals to drink water until it's already reached the state of dehydration. This means that by the time you feel thirsty, your body has already been deprived of necessary hydration. To prevent this, it is advisable to make a habit of consistently sipping on water throughout the day, instead of waiting until the thirst sets in. Furthermore, it is important to prioritize drinking high-quality water, as it may have a positive impact on your overall health. It is recommended that individuals consume a minimum of half their body weight in ounces of water daily. For instance, someone weighing 170 pounds should aim to ingest 85 ounces or 10.5 cups of water every 24 hours. Although this may seem like a large amount, it is possible to gradually work up to this level of hydration. A simple and effective way to ensure you are adequately hydrated is by always having a water container with you. This will make it easier to regularly take sips throughout the day without having to worry about finding a source of water. Rev up your engine with regular exercise. Regular exercise is a vital component of a healthy lifestyle, and this applies to everyone, including truck drivers who spend long hours on the road. After a long day behind the wheel, it can be tempted to relax and unwind. But taking just 15 minutes to engage in a brisk walk or some simple stretching exercises can do wonders for your physical and mental well-being. The fresh air and change of pace from the confines of your truck seat will help you feel rejuvenated and decompressed, making it easier for you to tackle the challenges of the road. So the next time you're feeling drained, take a break from the wheel and invest a little time in your physical health. Your body will thank you. Importance of proper sleep. As a truck driver, getting enough sleep can be a major challenge, but it is crucial for both physical and mental well-being. Lack of sleep can affect your health, impair your ability to focus, and even compromise your safety on the road. Aim to get at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night with a regular bedtime and waking schedule. However, we understand that this can be difficult for those who lead such demanding lifestyle on the road. Stress can also play a significant role in hindering a good night's sleep. It is important to find ways to unwind and relax before bedtime. Engaging in activities that you enjoy, such as exercise or reading, can help you de-stress and calm your mind. Additionally, it can be helpful to find things that allow you to empty your mind and block out the world, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or listening to calming music. Proper rest is essential for your overall health and well-being, so make sleep a priority and prioritize taking care of yourself. Before we get into the last health and wellness tips for truck drivers, click the link in the description to discover the world's only water bottle made with crystals designed to infuse with water so that it can help support healthy weight loss. Click on the link in the description to discover how drinking 2 to 3 liters of water from these slim crystal bottles each day is a great way to support healthy weight loss, maintain healthy digestion, and high energy levels. Now, let's get straight into the last health and wellness tip for truck drivers. Fuel your journey with clean food. The next time you find yourself at a convenience store, consider making a healthier, more nutritious choice by opting for almonds instead of a candy bar, a chicken Caesar salad instead of a hot dog. By making a conscious effort to choose foods that are low in preservatives, red meat, high in lean protein, and clean carbohydrates, you can take the steps towards leading a healthier and happier lifestyle. Another great way to maintain a healthy diet while saving money is to prepare meals in advance. Rather than relying on convenience stores and fast food restaurants, which may not always have the healthiest options, you can complement your diet with home-cooked meals. If your commercial truck is equipped with a refrigerator, you can store up to 7 days worth of meals. A great place to start is by cooking up lean proteins such as chicken and rice and storing them in reusable containers for easy on-the-go eating. In conclusion, the life of a truck driver can be challenging, but there are ways to maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. From staying hydrated to sleeping properly and incorporating hobbies for mental relaxation, taking care of your well-being should be important. In addition, if you want to advance a life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.